This session is in continuity to our previous discussion on charting in Excel, and in this session we learn about how to create a percentage stacked bar chart in Excel. In the previous sessions we learned about creating up a simple bar chart and creating up a stacked bar chart in Excel, and we learned that the power of the stack chart is lies not in knowing the real numbers out of it, but knowing the proportion in which different entities exist in your table. Now there is still another kind of a chart, bar chart in Excel, which gives even more information about the proportions in which the entities exist in our table, and it is called the percentage stacked bar chart in Excel. So let's just create that bar chart in Excel by first selecting our data, going to the Insert tab, clicking on the bar button over here, and then clicking on this button. Now you can see, just hold on. Okay. Now this chart is being is representing the same kind of data as this chart or this chart is representing. But now the complete bars have been filled up from the beginning to the end, and the end represents a 100% number, and the first being represented by 0% number. Now the interpretation of this chart is that if I begin with the month for January, and if I consider the sum of the sales of product A and product B and product C as total of the sales in January, then approximately 20, you can say 25% of the sales came from my product A, from the blue portion. Then you can see that approximately 25% of the sales also came from product B in this case, which is being represented by the red portion over here, and a staggering 50% of sales came from my product C. Now you can see that in entirety this is an excellent way of knowing how in what proportion are your products being sold in the market. So if I have three products in say Louisiana, being sold in Louisiana, I can easily know that in what proportions are my products being sold over here. Now this chart is in quite in contrast to our the stack chart, which gave us a similar kind of information, but it just gave us the proportions. It's like knowing what how large are one sales as compared to the another, but never really gave us the exact ratios or percentages, which may be of even more use to us in terms of sales. So this chart is again best useful when you are not looking for absolute numbers in Excel, but rather you're looking for proportions of sales from your data. So this is all about creating up percentage stacked bar charts in Excel. Thank you for watching.